Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you inky savages are joining me. Thanks for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. Now I'm going to be unboxing this pen here. This is the Esterbrook Gold Rush Standard Size Fountain Pen. This one is called the Prospector Black because of the colors. I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys, but before I do that, please make sure you check out in the description below my sponsor, Pen Chalet, and go over to penchalet.com and make sure you use coupon code GOODWORDS at checkout to get an extra discount on all your purchases on the Pen Chalet website. So let's get started with this unboxing. Now, the package that it was shipped in came with a whole bunch of stuff. Well, just rather the pen and these 4 rolls of whatever this is, washi tape. So I'm not too big on washi tape. I don't know much about it, but you use it when you're journaling and you're doing stuff like that. It's fun for people who are artistic with their journals, like my good buddy, Tom the Odd Oink, my co-host on the podcast, as well as my good friend, Devin Liu. You should check her out, DEVNNLUU on YouTube. She can show you everything there is to know about journaling. And we have this pen. It was packaged in this box. I haven't opened it up. I was saving it for the unboxing. I'm really excited. And it's black with the logo and gold stuff all over it. This is a departure from the standard Esterbrook boxes that comes in this cardboard sleeve. And it's pretty standard across the board. Most of them are all the same. This is actually different, and I like to see that. So we'll slide this off, put that off to the side over here, making a mess. And okay, so on the inside we have this canvas box, which is similar to the old boxes that we see with other Esterbrook pens. And it's not a flip open. It looks like we have a pull tab here, and we pull out the inside box. And as with all Esterbrook pens, we get this Wipey Cloth and an information card inside a plastic pen body bag. Oh, look at that. We got a single washi tape, which is pretty cool. It's the same one that's inside this packet right here. Now, I don't know if this pack of washi tape comes with all the pens. I know that this one does, but this one I think they just sent to me because they're being cool and they're nice guys. So that's the washi tape. You get your single ink cartridge and, oh, look, the bed comes up. Is there anything underneath it? It's stuck. All right, there's nothing underneath the bedding except for the design. I like that, nice touch. Most people won't even see that. And then we have our pen. This pen is called Prospector Black, as I said, and it's a mixture of black and gold. There's gold specks, black swirly acrylic, and gold swirly acrylic, and the gold swirly acrylic is actually translucent. Oh, there's your converter. Look, they could include the converter. It's branded with Esterbrook. I like that. Let's screw that in here. This is the standard size, so as you can see, it's going to have the acrylic threads. It goes into the acrylic threads of the barrel. Let's see how many rotations. 1 3/4 rather. So again, with all Esterbrook Estie pens, you have that cup on the inside. Kind of acts as a seal, keeps the pen wet for a pretty good amount of time. This pen does post, and as you can see here, we have our nib. It's a gold-plated nib. This one is a fine. It's a Yovo nib, has the Yovo feed. It's cartridge converter, as you can see. It has the palladium clip that is plated in gold. And it is your standard size Estie, so it's going to be very familiar in terms of feel if you have any other Esties. But what makes this one unique is the gold diamond dust that was put into it. This acrylic was made by Tim McKenzie. We should call him T-Mac, so he sounds cool. And what I like about it, it actually looks like gold fluid mixed in with mud and sparkles of gold. It's kind of cool. It's really cool. I know that there's a purple one out. I personally like this one better, so I'm actually excited to show this to you. I'll provide a writing sample in a later video. I don't think I'm going to do a full-blown review because everybody already knows how much I love the Esterbrook Esties, and I've reviewed them before, but maybe I'll make a separate video and some little additional content so that you can see how it writes. So that's all I have for you today. That was the unboxing of the Esterbrook Estie Gold Rush Prospector Black Fountain Pen. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well. Be safe.